Changing your verification method on Wells Fargo can help enhance your account security and ensure you receive important notifications. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile option in the menu. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select security settings. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Choose your new verification method. Review the available verification methods such as text message, email, or phone call. Select the method you wish to use and follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After selecting your new verification method, you may need to verify your identity using your current method. Follow any additional instructions to confirm your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on Wells Fargo. Always ensure your account security settings are up to date for the best protection.